Welcome back to Tech Pundit. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly and easily remove background from a video footage and replace that with another image. So I need to bring the video to the timeline. Okay, so this is the video that we are removing its background. Okay, so I'm bringing the play head to the start of the video. So I'm making sure the video is properly activated or enabled. I click on the background, okay, to enable the background. Okay, coming to the AI tools, then I'll be using the smart cutout. So this is now enabled. I can click this to apply, and I don't really need to adjust the size of this in case you need to do that. So this is the object that I want to have left when the background has been removed. And this camera, okay, part of it too, I want it to remain. Okay. So I believe I've applied it to the camera as well. So after that is done, I need to click here to start the process. So the background remover is in process. Okay, now the process is completed. Let me save it. So the background has been completely removed. So let me then bring in the image that I want to use as the new background. Okay, we can see that the background is already, the video is now in front of the background, the new background. So, but the background is quite sharp. So let's apply some blur effect to it. I will use the square blur effect. I would simply drag, okay, and put that on top of the image. Okay, and we can adjust the color, the effect. Let me increase the blur. Okay, so this can be adjusted into your liking and what works for you. Okay, and let me drag and extend to the background to the end of the footage. So as you can see, we have successfully removed the original background of the video footage and replaced it with our own image. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.